Hello, everyone. I am Paul, and you are listening to Fluent World Podcast. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope you are safe, calm, and ready for a new beginning. Before we start, let me ask you something. How many times have you said, "This year will be different," and then everything stayed the same? If that sounds familiar, then please stay with me, because this video is not just about English. This video is about resetting your mind, rebuilding your confidence, and starting again, slowly, calmly, without pressure. If you want to improve your English, your thinking, and your life, please subscribe to Fluent World Podcast and listen till the end. Now, let's begin. Why New Year feels heavy. Every new year comes with pressure. New goals, new plans, new expectations, and suddenly you feel tired before you even start. Let me tell you something important. The problem is not the new year. The problem is how your mind talks to you. Your mind says, "You were late. You failed last year. You were not good enough." But listen carefully. You were not late. You were not broken. You were just human. And learning English or changing your life does not need speed. It needs direction. This year, we don't rush. We build habits. We build confidence. We build calm consistency. Let me be honest with you. English is not difficult. What makes it difficult is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding stupid. But here is the truth. Every fluent speaker was once confused, was once silent, was once afraid. The difference? They didn't stop. This year, we stop fighting English. We make English a daily companion. Not grammar rules, not pressure, just listening, just repeating, just understanding. That's why this podcast exists. You don't need to speak fast. You need to speak clear. Let me share a simple daily system. This system works. Morning, listen to English for 10 minutes. No subtitles, just listen. Afternoon, repeat one sentence out loud. Only one. Evening, think in English for 2 minutes. That's it. Not 1 hour, not stress. Just small daily actions. Remember, consistency beats motivation. If you do this for 30 days, you will feel the difference. Not perfection, progress. Reset your brain for learning. Your brain learns best when it feels safe, not scared. So stop saying, "I am bad at English." Start saying, "I am learning English." Words matter. Your brain listens. This year, talk kindly to yourself, because when your mind is calm, learning becomes natural. And when learning is natural, fluency follows. Travel, job, life. Why English matters. English is not just a language. It is access. Access to travel. Access to jobs. Access to confidence. Imagine this. You are at an airport. You speak calmly. You are in an interview. You answer clearly. You are meeting new people. You express yourself freely. This is not a dream. This is a skill. And skills can be learned, slowly, daily, without fear. This year, make one promise. Not to be perfect, but to show up. 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. That's enough. You don't need talent. You need patience. And I promise you, if you stay with this channel, if you listen daily, your English will change. Your confidence will change. Your life will change.
Thank you for spending this time with me. Again, I am Paul, and this is Fluent World Podcast. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. New year, new mindset, new voice. And remember, English is not hard. Your mind just needs kindness. See you in the next episode.